If you rap, like, I don't know, you'll still have to sing.
What
Mm.
time?
No, because I couldn't hear you the first time.
Cause you, I'm gonna tell you one time.
I'm waiting.
Never been hated or discriminated against. I have. I've been protested and demonstrated against. Pick a sign, you know, look at one. Oh, this isn't really rap. It's kind of like, I'm not do that one. Jerk.com, jerk.com. Jerk.com.
What?